I'm Mr. David Lee, Development Chairman, Council Member of BAM, the main coach, Liang Yunhao, Li Zijiang, Chen Han, sorry, Isona Tina, okay. Okay, welcome to the draw ceremony, SCG Badminton Asia Junior Championship, we will have in Bangkok, Thailand. Now, if you look at the handout that we have 19 countries participating, 17 in the team event, 19 in the individual event. So today we're going to have two draws. One is for the team event, one is for the individual. The team event we're going to do a manual draw here. The individual will use the tournament software. The numbers are very big, so we use the tournament software there. Everyone will have a chance to get involved in the draw procedure. Everyone. Okay? So if you can start for the team event, okay, we start with the team event. We have 17 countries split into 4 groups, A, B, C, D. So we have group A, we have 4 slots, group B 4, C 5, D 4. If you look at the seeding report, we have in ranking order, we have from the top, actually China, Thailand, Indonesia, Japan, India, Malaysia, Hong Kong, China, Korea, Chinese Taipei, Singapore, Philippines, Macau, China, Vietnam, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Sri Lanka, and Myanmar. Now, before we start the draw, I'm going to tell you how the draw methodology is. Okay, we have the 4 groups. Okay, can you turn back? Okay, first seed will be on the top of Group A. This is fixed according to Suriname Cup regulation. Second seed, top of Group D. Third seed and fourth seed will be drawn randomly into the first position of Group B and C. Number 5 to number 8 will be drawn randomly to the second row. 9 to the 12 will be drawn randomly to the third row. And 13 to 16 will be drawn randomly to the fourth row. This is how the block draw is going to be done. Everyone understand? Okay, we can start the draw. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, China top seed, top of Group A. Thailand second seed, top of Group B. We're going to draw for Indonesia and Japan into Group B or C. The first draw, I would like to invite Mr. David B to do the first draw. Now, the draw procedure very simple, Mr. David. We're going to draw the group first. Then only we go to draw the team. The group. Yeah, group is here. Group is here. Let's draw one first.
Find your choice, 2 only.
2 only.
Either Indonesia or Japan.
Here's the group first.
Group B. Group B. Okay. Group B.
2 probability.
Okay. And you draw the country. Group B. You show. Japan. Japan, Group B. To show this is transparent, Mr. David, just pick up the group again, just to make sure there's no fix. Group again. Group C. Group C. And Group C. Indonesia. So Indonesia C, Japan, and B. Thank you, Mr. David.
Thank you.
Okay, I think
Easy work, hard work.
okay, I'm going to sort this out with not enough tools.
BAC rich one. BAC very rich.
They give you pen drive. Almost pen or pen drive, Mr. David.
Pen drive.
Yeah.
I thought you want to throw, I want to pick up.
I'll the pen drive.
Okay. But the reason we block this is because there's only so little. If we throw it in, you might be able to see, so we have something to shade it in to make it more random. Okay? Okay, now we're going to draw for seed 5 to 8, India, Malaysia, Hong Kong, China, Korea. Maybe we invite Coach.
So go for it.
The group first.
You put the wrong one, I won't send it.
Group B.
Group B.
Thank you. Confirm not Malaysia.
I can see the.
A and B will meet in the semis. Three.
Oh.
A and B.
Oh my God.
Sir.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Okay.
Only Malaysia I'll take.
Continue with it.
Sorry.
Actually, A and B will meet in the semis.
A and C crossover.
Group C.
Group C.
Group C.
So make sure.
And games for you against Malaysia.
Oh.
Group C Malaysia.
Okay lah, better not China lah.
No, we must go to China.
Okay, I'll cross over China.
Eh wait, Malaysia so fast already. Later can take Malaysia lah.
Group D.
Indonesia, what's it?
India.
India. Okay. Last one.
But if you all lah.
Group A.
Group A. Malaysia. Dan dari Korea.
Korea.
Hello.
Thank you. We have Korea, Hong Kong, Malaysia, India. Thank you very much. Coach. Okay.
Crossover, my goodness.
Cross over A and C. Not cross over.
準準。我哋一定贏呢啲啫，我哋多隊都咁可以咯。就點啊？幾年先我哋仲有機會，咁樣可以多去㗎嘛？
Top 2 only cross over.
Top 2 team lah.
得都，
The schedule, Mr. Dave, the schedule is.
你多你就 avoid 多咯。你 A 你 C 都，你 A 對 C 咯，C 都咯。
Okay.
But China, Korea, both.
Now we're going to draw for seat
strong 啊。
the ranking 9, 10, 11,
係咯。
and 12. Okay. We'll throw it in. Why don't you get players? One each. Please, to both of you. Come. After the next, both of you. One side. Fair. Okay, we draw the group first, then you draw the team, right? First.
Show me
Group-
here. 不是好好
Group C. Okay, please.
哪一个
The team. Group C.
Chinese Taipei.
Chinese Taipei. Okay. Continue. Group B. Group B.
哇，大飛強嘅。
Okay. Group B, yeah. Group B. Macau, China. Macau, China, Group B.
對啲。
Group B.
Okay. Group A. Group A. Thank you. Group A. Group A, Singapore. Singapore, last one.
Chinese Taipei boy
Group D. Group D.
Philippines.
Okay, Group D. Philippines. Okay, thank you very much. So you have the third row. Singapore, Macau, China, Chinese Taipei, Philippines. Okay, can we have the last one?
就這樣。
Two of you, please.
Tough eh.
But usually tough, Malaysia go far one. I mean,
You are right, man.
huh? Always like that.
You all got extra one tie to play lah.
Okay. Okay, please. The last
Naik ke?
four to drop. Drop the group first.
一个，试试看看。
A. Okay, you have Group A.
Good enough.
Kazakhstan Group A. You continue, please. Group D.
Kalimantan.
Vietnam. Okay, please.
Group B. CX.
Group C.
Sri Lanka.
Kena port tu.
Mongolia.
This one doesn't matter.
Mongolia. Okay, last one just to show.
Number is Sri Lanka.
Okay, let's say Group B. So we have Group B. Sri Lanka. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, so we have the mixed team event, the draw. Group A, you have China, Korea, Singapore, Kazakhstan. Group B, Japan, Hong Kong, China, Macau, China, Sri Lanka. Group C, Indonesia, Malaysia, Chinese Taipei, Mongolia, Myanmar. And Group D, Thailand, India, Philippines, Vietnam. So we have concluded the draw for mixed team event. And okay, so we're going to do the individual event using the tournament software. Okay, this is how the structure going to be. I'm going to just go a brief one before we do. Now, I think
What about the seeding?
the seeding is
Already fixed or randomly run?
it will be random. Maximum separation.
Maximum.
Yes, with your computer with you, and you will operate the system. You will press the system. Not us. Miss Bell will guide you through. So, anyone first? Okay, please. Good.
That one is
Jaga sikit
the
lah.
jackpot now.
Jaga sikit lah draw saya. Ah.
So now you can see in badminton how we do the draw. There is a manual and there's a computerized system. Okay? Okay, men's singles you have 70 entries, 128 draw size, 16 seats.